But today is Saturday morning and I'm actually heading to a beauty supply and got a ton of grapes.
No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Saturday and today's gonna be the beginning of my weekend vlog because this is my first weekend staying in my apartment. So I have a lot of things to do this weekend, including coursework, job stuff, running errands, cooking, cleaning, all that stuff. But today is Saturday morning and I'm actually heading to a beauty supply and to Walmart. The beauty supply to get some more mascara like the one I was showing you in my last video, and Walmart to get some beauty stuff, as well as to do my weekly grocery shop. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna head out because it's a bit of a walk to get there, which I don't really mind because I need to get my steps in anyway. But yeah, let's head out and start this productive weekend of my life. Okay, you guys, I see the beauty supply now. I'm a little cold, honestly, but we've been walking for a bit. We finally made it. I passed 2 grocery stores on the way here, so I haven't decided which one I'm going to go to yet. But yeah, let's go to the beauty supply and then head back. Whew, it's freezing. So we got what I needed at the beauty supply. I'm actually so happy that I found a beauty supply near me. There's honestly probably one closer to me, but it's good to know, right? Anyways, we are gonna go to the grocery store. I think I've decided I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then next time I'll go to No Frills to get some groceries. And then we're gonna head home. I'm still cold though. But maybe I'll walk faster and I'll warm up. So let's go to the grocery store, get some food. I literally just walked into my apartment, so I want to show you guys a quick grocery haul. I ended up getting bell pepper, 2 things of broccoli. I got some frozen chicken fingers from this brand because I like this brand, mainly because it was on sale for $5 when it usually is 10, so I figured that was a pretty good deal. Got a ton of grapes, the red ones, because they're like nice and crunchy. Then I got a little thing of beef broth for spaghetti later this week, and some fat-free Greek yogurt, some smooth peanut butter, some whipping cream for my coffee creamer, some little red potatoes because these are so good, like roasted, some strawberries, which are also leaking. Awesome. I think it's just 1 or 2. Anyways, super random, but I got this candle because it was on sale by Glade. It's the cashmere woods. It just kind of fell off, but it smells so good, so I got it because I mean, like, can't go wrong. It's $3, and all of that cost me what? $48. So yeah, can't go wrong. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this all away. I don't really know what I'm gonna do next. Probably make some granola because I really need to do that, and then we'll go from there because I have quite a bit of stuff to do. I also, actually, I should show you. I went to the hair store. Like you saw, I went to the hair store as well, so I figured I'll show you what I got. But I ended up just getting a simple little beauty blender, and I went and got the mascara I was talking to you guys about in my last video, the Ruby Kisses Multifunction Mascara in Black is Black. I have the waterproof version, and it is so hard to get off, which is probably good if you're ever caught in any sort of wet weather. You will know that it will not come off, but that's not necessarily great for every day, so I just got the non-waterproof version. And I'm also gonna try their lengthening mascara because I'm like, if this one works that well, I'm curious to try their lengthening one. So I got those, and I just got some like mini hair ties, as well as this Vaseline cocoa butter lip treatment, because you can never go wrong. But that's everything that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away, and then I guess I'll just pick you guys back up later. I would pick you guys up when I'm making my granola, but I feel like I showed that in every single video, which is kind of annoying. So I'll link some videos where I made it, as well as put the recipe in the description if I remember. But yeah, I'll pick you guys back up later. Yeah. Hello?
Hey, Mickey.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm good. Okay. Okay, so I finished my granola and had a yogurt parfait for lunch. Now it's time to sit down and tuck into some work. I'm probably gonna work for probably like an hour, hour and a half before I head out, because I've been really craving Popeyes recently, specifically the blackened chicken tenders. I really want to try those, and they do have it on campus, so we'll go and see, and maybe I'll have that for dinner. But before that, I do want to get some work done. I'm gonna work on my prep courses before my classes start on Monday. I'm working on the second like statistics lecture, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, just try to get through that, and then I'll update you guys as I go along. So let's get started with some work.
of providing us a representative picture of the entire group.
Okay, so we made quite a bit of progress on my videos. I'm almost done this last statistics lecture. I just made myself a coffee, as you guys saw. I think the plan is just to finish this lecture, because I think I have like one more section left, which is probably about like 40 minutes, based on like how long it takes me to write notes and stuff. After that, I'm gonna do the dishes, and then I'm gonna head out to Shoppers and Popeyes to get some dinner. And I think later I'm gonna make some brownies, only because I want to have like a cute little dessert for the week. But tomorrow I'm gonna be cooking dinner, and my kitchen, as you saw, is a little bit small. It's good enough for me, but like it's small enough where I do need to like think strategically about what I'm making. So I think I might do that today. It might just be like a nice little Saturday evening activity anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this lecture. In the meantime, I'm actually gonna charge this camera. But yeah, so I'll pick you guys up when I'm finished, and we are on our way to Shoppers. Okay, good morning you guys. Today is Sunday. I've been having a little bit of a slow morning. I made like a cute little breakfast and I've just been reading. I've also did one of my prep courses that I had to do. I have one more left before I have to take some of the exams for those courses, but I just did that tomorrow. I just did that this morning in bed because my bed was so cozy. But right now it's about 11 o'clock and I'm actually gonna get started on cooking dinner for the week. I like to meal prep on Sundays or Mondays just to make my life easier during the week when I have classes, especially because this week is my first full week of classes. So I'm gonna be making some like jerk chicken that my dad seasoned for me. It's been defrosting overnight. Some rice, some veggies, and all the things. So I'm gonna get started on that. I like to do that in the morning so that it has time to cool down and I can just like put it in the fridge and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. In the meantime, I'm gonna listen to a little podcast. I think Sisters Who Kill just uploaded a new episode. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, make some dinner, and then yeah, probably do some more work and all that. We're gonna have like a little bit of a Sunday reset. So yeah, I'm gonna cook on my jammies today. So let's go ahead and get started.
Dealing with finances can be a headache. I would which is more than the top 3 national banks combined. Thankfully, I've learned a little bit of what a dollar means now. For your beach trips, barbecues, and 3-day weekends, your wireless upfront payment of $45 required, equivalent to $50. Limited time new customer offer for the first 3 months only. Our players this week are Ariel Brianna Calloway, our victim, and Carisha Cooper. She lived at or around Clark Gardens apartments, and that's it. I had a little girl out here fighting the police that had broke it up. She was like, I'm gonna fight it. Fighting for her daughter on the other side of the apartment complex with their family. And nobody, so you find whatever you need to clear her. So of course you can go look at that vehicle. They did. She was ready for real. He talks about how she had beat his side down because there was no malice to kill her. So it's my birthday. Take 20 portions. Y'all, we finna go for a ride. Let's trip, but there's no part of me that thought like she was like somebody better die today. Didn't respond correctly, and because of that, this whole crazy neighborhood, they were like, oh shit, like this happened all the time.
So I finished dinner, which is really good, but now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle my bathroom just to give it a good like weekly clean because it's definitely been neglected this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then after that I have a yogurt parfait that's like chilling right now. So I'm gonna eat that for lunch. I'm debating if I want to go to the gym tonight or not. We'll see. I haven't left my apartment at all today, so I feel like I should go, but I don't know, we'll see. But let's tackle this bathroom and get this clean and fresh for the week.
Helps you point your finger, but it does not help you solve the problem. Next is fundamental.
So we're in Ibiza with Lily's parents and Lily, her boyfriend, me, and then also all of Lily's cousins are coming.